guys, welcome to today's video. Bonnie and I are here. We just got done filming this beautiful summer makeup look. So if you guys want to check that out, that will be in our description.
Yep, and we wanted to share with you guys a salad that's really easy to take with you to any barbecue or family party or get together. And this is the one that I take with me every single time. Super, super easy. All you need is strawberries, basil, mozzarella balls, and balsamic glaze. I think that I started using this because balsamic is super low in calories, and so I feel like it's a really good dressing to use on a salad like this. I like to cut the strawberries down the center and then across the center like this. And once you cut up all your strawberries, I just put them in a dish, a serving dish. So the mozzarella balls come in this container. It's full of fluid to help preserve them. These are the little mozzarella balls. They're so cute and tasty. So I'm gonna drain these and then I'm gonna pour it into the strawberries. Everyone always thinks that the mozzarella balls are marshmallows and they think that this is chocolate sauce. You'll see that when I get it all the way mixed together, it does look like marshmallows and chocolate.
And then they eat it.
Although that would be tasty. You don't need a ton of basil. I just cut a few swigs like that. Swigs? That doesn't even make sense. Okay, well, there you go. You cut up a little bit of basil and you're gonna douse the top of your salad with it. If you wanted, you could honestly add a little cilantro. No. Oh. Yeah. I wasn't gonna say cilantro. I was gonna say like an actual like lettuce. Like if you wanted to put this on a bed of lettuce, you could and it would be really good. Add some shucking. I've tried making my own balsamic glaze and it's not as easy as you would think it is. So I just go to the store and buy it and it's really good. And I just drizzle it over the top of my salad.
And it smells so good.
It smells so good. If you guys make this really easy, we love when you guys tag us on Twitter and Instagram showing us what you've made. People still do our sweet potato soup and just everything that we've
our beans salsa that we did.
Yeah, we've done other like salsa summer salads. So if you guys make it, tag us. I do want to let you guys know that our Griffiths family cookbook is on sale again. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this book, it is for pre-sale right now and the link will be in the description along with the recipe for our salad. Oh my gosh, it's so good. For real, huh?
I would eat the whole thing. Like, I would eat it.
Yeah.